Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the amount of carbon dioxide emitted by refrigerators in a city of 300,001 households with 701 kilowatt hours of electricity consumed per year, and 1 kilowatt hour produces 0.59 kilograms of carbon dioxide. We can skip step 1, there is no free body diagram, so no FBD. Step 2 lists all the given variables, find the unknown. So we mentioned it in the question. We've got 300,001 households, 701 kilowatt hours per year, and 0.59 kilograms of carbon dioxide per 1 kilowatt hour, and we're trying to find the amount of carbon dioxide produced. Step 3, find the formula for the amount of carbon dioxide produced. Okay, step 4, plug and play. They give us everything. So the formula is just multiplying all three of these variables. So that's what we're going to do. So 300,001 households multiplied by 701 kilowatt hour multiplied by 0.59 kilograms of carbon dioxide produced. So you will get this large amount. So let me just add some commas to separate them. Alright. So that is 124 million kilograms. So we're rounding down, but 124 million 77,413.59 kilograms to be exact. Okay, disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar to open up the program. If you never used it or pinned it, and if it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.